Hi guys, so we're gonna eat this powder. I'm just kidding. With nerds. Bro. So Talia gave it to me. This girl. Yeah guys. Di naman ito nalalaasang guys. It already tastes like I was five. I like this guys. Let's taste the nerd. And this is a powder. And it's blue. Wonder why. But I need
Di ba favorite mo yung blue?
Tukulay ka na, Jay?
Processed for state-of-the-art supply.
Sabihin mo, totote.
That's how we show
Matang.
making sure
Pakita nga yung powder. Did the powder spill? Naman mo?
Bango.
Yes. And this is blue nerd. Let me see. I need like a cup. I need the cup. May cup tayo because we need the powder.
Cup noodles?
Hindi parang plato maliit. Lalagay yung powder. So, meron.
Lalagay mo pa.
Because, tututok ko kasi nga. Ito yung nerd.
Wala kaming platong maliit eh.
Tingnan lang ako sa bahay ko. So guys, magpakita tayo sa part 2. Bye!